Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Wind Plus. It's a smart wind air purifier. So wherever you go, you can make sure that the air around you is clean. Ooh, so it's quite large actually. It's like the size of my face. And right here are the instructions and its accessories. It says tap the power button on the purifier to turn it on and off, which is this. So one of the accessories that it comes with is a kickstand, and all you do is attach it here and here. Snap it into place. That way you can just rest it, and then the wind can blow in a certain direction. It also comes with various types of plugs, so regardless of where you live, if one of these plugs fits you, then you are good to go. And then of course it comes with a bag to put all your accessories in as well. So basically all you need to do is plug it in, make sure that it's charged all the way, and then start using it, and that's it. So there you have the wind purifier. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, let me know what you think about this air purifier. If you want to purchase it, the link is below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.